Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make documents into PDF files. First, open your document in its original program, like Word or Google Docs. Then, navigate to the Print option, usually found in the File menu. From there, select Microsoft Print to PDF or Save as PDF as your printer. Finally, choose where to save your new PDF and give it a clear name. This method is quick and works for most common document types. Many free online tools can convert various document types to PDF. Simply upload your file to a trusted website like Adobe Acrobat Online or Smolpt. After uploading, select PDF as your desired output format. The conversion usually takes just a few seconds, depending on file size. Once complete, download the new PDF to your device and quickly check its contents to ensure everything looks perfect. Beyond basic conversion, PDF offers several advanced features. You can merge several documents into one cohesive PDF, which is great for reports. For sensitive information, add password protection to restrict access. If your PDF is too large, compression tools can reduce its size by up to 75% without significant quality loss. Specialized software also allows for direct editing of text and images within the PDF itself. To ensure your PDF documents are effective, always review them thoroughly for any errors before sharing. Use clear, descriptive file names so you can easily find them later. For broader reach, consider adding accessibility features, like alt text for images, to help users with disabilities. Finally, remember to back up your important PDF files regularly to a cloud service or external drive, safeguarding your valuable information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.